Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a versatile term that is fundamental in geometry and shapes. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as polygon, 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 polygon. It refers to a two-dimensional figure with three or more straight sides and angles. Polygons can be classified into various types based on the number of sides, such as triangles, quadrilaterals, and pentagons. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Polygon, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.